Hi everyone, I am Olivier and I take care of the videos for the European Greek and Latin Festival. I am the one you will be sending your videos to, and I will try to explain simply how to film yourselves for the public readings, because we are not going to let ourselves be defeated by a virus. We will show that classical letters are still alive and many people still are, and that we can make a great party even by staying in our homes. To film yourself, there are two cases, as you have seen in the email. First, you already feel good with cameras and phones and smartphones and everything that goes along, so you will be able to film yourself and then send a video to the mail below. What matters to me today is for everyone. So, most of the times you will be working with a phone. I have an iPhone, but every phone will do the job. You will find the camera and then film like this, not in a portrait format, but in a landscape format, to fit the YouTube display. You have two possibilities. First, you can ask someone to film you while you are reading. Or you are confident enough with selfies and you can put yourself like this, change the point of view, and film yourself while talking. So no, it is easy. You will have a video in the end. You click on record, then on end. It works the same for every phone. But something matters, it's the sound. Because even if we are in the closed space of the home, it will not be the same. It is better with two things. First of them, if you have one, is a lapel mic. It is something you can put here, just like in the tele newspapers. Then you plug it in your phone and you record. The sound will be much better. But if you don't have one, there is something great. It's just the earphones that you all know because they were delivered in the box with the phone. If you are used to phoning with it, it is great. You can just plug it, put the earphones around your neck, and it will work as a mic, and it is quite a good mic. So you can do one or two tests before the final video, but you will see that the sound is much better than without it. So you can film yourself or have someone film you with some distance, depending on the length of the earphones. And the one who's filming you, if you can, will be holding the mic, which we will be seeing or not, but it doesn't matter. And you will do your reading. It is better if you can synchronize it, then the cable will be quite hard, but you can do the way you can. What matters is that you do your best. In the video you will see what I'm going to show you. That is to say, when it is finished, you can send it to me on the Gmail account. You can't send it directly by an email because the file is too heavy, so you will have to use WeTransfer. Some other exist if you prefer, but this one is more classical. It is also known as an app, Collect. You will be able to see it on the PDF I have linked to you. And so you can send the video and then it will be sent to me. If I need to do some cuts, I will. But if you can send me a clean video that is finished from start to beginning, it will be great for me because I can publish it directly on Facebook and the YouTube channel that you will be able to get with the link. And we will be able to do the readings together in June, and everyone can participate, even if not everyone is in the same place.